Um, Good day, ma'am. This is my presentation for reaction video. Um, Legal compliance in action case study. Facebook Cambridge Analytical Data Privacy Scandal 2018. Slide. Slide. Um, Background of the case. In 2018, Facebook faced a major data privacy scandal. Cambridge Analytica collected data of 87 million users. Data was collected without proper user consent. Facebook failed to enforce strong data protection controls. Um, ang Facebook inallowed third-party developers to access users' personal information without strict data uh, controls. Facebook pa nagkaroon ito ng madaming nasirang reputasyon ng Facebook. Ito naman yung IT compliance issues. Weak protection of user personal data. Parang mahina yung user ng may sariling data. Data privacy. Ganun. Ay, mahina yung password or ano yung security ng Facebook. Tapos lack of transparency about data collection. Parang kinukuha na yung ibang collection ay ng data sa ibang website. Ganun po. Violated data privacy laws, consent, security, transparency. Parang data laws. Parang makakasuhan sa mga Facebook users. Ano po. Para platforms. Um, for monitoring at third-party access, kung paano ang user consent o the proper data handling, kung paano panghawakan ang isang platform ng Facebook. Secure storage and usage. Ito ay nagkaroon ng malaking investigasyon tungkol sa mga issues ng mula noong 2018. Ito ay totoong nangyari sa totoong buhay. Kung saan naman ang legal consequences ay 5 billion from the US FT's largest privacy fine. The largest ng history. Required to implement strict privacy and security measures. Parang gustong i-implementa ang pag-stricto ng privacy and security measures para napanghahawakan ang capacity nito. Global investigation from multiple countries. Dapat ma-improve din ang security controls like panels and limit data access ng mga users. Allow audits on they use data. Ito naman si Zuckerberg testified before US Congress. Including ang US and UK at EU for violating data protection laws. Ito naman yung next slide. Impact of the company. Loss of user trust and damage reputation. Parang nawawalan ng reputasyon ang mga user na magtiwala sa Facebook at nadadamage ang mga ibang user nito, user platform, ganun po. A stricter privacy system in monitoring. Parang ito ay stricto at ito ay privacy, kundi private, parang private nito systems and monitoring Minomonitor ang mga sistema kung paano ang progreso. New policies limiting third-party data access highlighted the need for strong IT compliance. Ang malaking massive damage to Facebook reputation. Loss of user trust din. Hindi pagkakatiwala ng ibang platform. New privacy rules structure. Next slide. Conclusion. The case is highly importance of strong IT compliance, protecting user data, transparency in data use, following data privacy laws such as GDPR. Dapat maprotektahan ang data, ang protect user data. Follow data privacy laws, provide transparency, implement strong cybersecurity systems. This is the end of my slide. Thank you po, ma'am. Have a great